We've got another money-making platform for you. Stay tuned for the website reveal and the details of this machine we recently found. Now don't worry, we know easy money is scary money, but the reason this becomes easy is because we've got the strategy right for you. Join us here on Pivot Online as we reveal yet another money-making strategy in 2023. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to be updated on our exclusive strategies. YouTube platform. Earning through YouTube might seem unreal, but it's a genuine opportunity. Stay hooked for the unveiling of an intriguing method that could be your gateway to PayPal wealth. YouTube, a platform not just for entertainment, but also a realm of potential earnings, holds secrets waiting to be unlocked. The mystery method I'm about to reveal isn't just another mundane way to make money, it's a straightforward, actionable approach that can pave your way to effortless PayPal income. Get ready to delve deeper into this innovative technique that requires minimal effort yet promises substantial rewards. Stay connected as I decode this method, offering you a step-by-step guide towards financial gain through YouTube. Website reveal. Are you ready to uncover a website that can transform your viewing time into cash? Look no further than 7r6.com. This unique platform operates as a URL shortening service, but here's the kicker. It rewards you every time someone clicks on the shortened link. It's a simple yet effective way to monetize your online activities without the need for creating content or amassing a huge following. By shortening URLs of interesting content or viral videos, you can potentially earn money every time someone clicks on those links. Imagine turning your regular browsing or content sharing routine into a passive income stream. 7r6.com presents an opportunity to leverage your online presence for financial gain effortlessly. So why not explore this innovative approach to earning money while you're immersed in your usual online pursuits? Signing up. Getting started is a breeze. All you need to do is sign up with a username, your email address, and a secure password. That's it. The registration process on 7r6.com couldn't be simpler. Just head over to the website, enter your chosen username, along with a valid email, and create a strong password to secure your account. With these basic details, you're ready to dive into the world of earning money by shortening links. The straightforward sign-up process ensures that you can start making money with just a few clicks. Take advantage of this effortless registration and begin your journey towards earning with ease. Proof of earnings. Wondering if 7r6.com delivers on its promise of earning potential? Well, the proof is right there on their website. Simply navigate to the Payment Proof tab, and you'll find evidence of real payouts. Seeing is believing, and this section showcases the tangible results users have achieved by leveraging this platform. Moreover, if you're curious about how much you can earn per video, look no further than their payout rates. This section provides clear insights into the amounts you can potentially earn for each video link you shorten and share. It's transparency at its finest, empowering you with the information you need to kickstart your earnings. With the ability to verify payment proofs and understand the payout rates up front, you're equipped to make informed decisions and maximize your earning potential. Explore these sections on their website to witness the opportunities awaiting you. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Earning mechanism. Let's delve into how you can effectively earn through 7r6.com. How 7r6.com works is that you generate income when viewers click on your shared video links and watch for at least 30 seconds. The key to success? It's all about capitalizing on trending topics, particularly on YouTube. Consider popular games like Minecraft or any other trending content. Why? Because trending topics attract massive audiences, increasing the likelihood of viewers not only clicking your links but also staying engaged for more than the required 30 seconds. The beauty lies in people's genuine interest in these hot topics, ensuring longer viewing times and, subsequently, more earnings for you. The gaming community in particular presents a vast and active audience. With a multitude of gamers engaging with trending games and related content, there's a significant opportunity to tap into this fervor. Align with these trending topics to position yourself to benefit from the heightened viewership and extended watch times. The strategy. When it comes to maximizing your earnings on 7r6.com, the gaming community is your friend. Focus on shortening links to popular content, especially within the gaming niche. Gaming content consistently dominates the popularity charts, offering a lucrative opportunity for earning. However, don't limit yourself. There's potential in various other trending content categories as well. The strategy is to diversify and capitalize on what's trending across multiple niches, then put those out in the gaming communities across the internet. Engage with gaming communities and social media groups, particularly those aligned with your content. Share these links strategically, ensuring they reach the eyes of enthusiastic audiences. Gaming communities are vibrant and active, providing fertile ground for sharing your links. Moreover, explore other social media platforms where discussions about trending topics happen, be it on Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or Discord servers. By being proactive and strategic in disseminating your shortened links across these platforms, you enhance the visibility of your content, inviting more clicks and subsequently increasing your earning potential on 7r6.com. So, dive into popular content across various niches, share strategically, and watch your earnings grow. Withdrawal methods. When it's time to cash in your earnings on 7r6.com, you'll be pleased to know they offer various withdrawal methods. These include PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, and even a range of cryptocurrencies. This diverse array of withdrawal options caters to different preferences and needs. Each method has its own minimum withdrawal limit, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your requirements. Referral System. Here's an exciting bonus feature on 7r6.com. An opportunity to boost your earnings by inviting friends. Yes, you heard it right. By inviting your friends to join this platform, you can earn an extra 25% of their earnings. It's a win-win scenario. Simply spread the word. Invite your friends, and once they start earning through their shared links, you'll receive a cool 25% of what they make. This referral program offers a fantastic chance to amplify your income without any extra effort. Imagine the potential when you introduce multiple friends to the platform. Not only are you helping them discover a means to earn, but you're also boosting your own earnings simultaneously. Bonus strategy. It's time to leverage the power of referrals. The key to maximizing your earnings is by inviting members from vibrant money-making communities and active social media groups. Platforms like Trendry.com serve as excellent forums bustling with enthusiastic individuals seeking income opportunities. Your participation in forums like Trendry.com and similar platforms allows you to connect with individuals actively seeking money-making opportunities, making it an ideal ground for inviting referrals. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.